Hello, my name's Doug. Welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a technique to more than double the length of engagement for threads in a plastic. In this case I have a PVC pipe cap. It's for 3/4 inch PVC. I want to fit an air fitting into it. The air fitting takes NPT thread, and the thickness down here at the end is only about 170 thousandths. At 18 threads per inch I'm only going to have 3 threads engaged if I simply drill the right size hole through here and tap it. That's not good enough. I'm going to show you a way to more than double that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the end of this pipe that I have in here. I am using the pipe because in a minute I'm going to be using a heat gun. I don't want the heat on my chuck, and these things are really not made to chuck up well. It's tapered, it's got all sorts of screwy stuff, so this holds it. It may wobble a little bit. It's inconsequential. It doesn't matter. The first thing I'm going to do is use a file to take the label off. I don't know if that's strictly necessary, but I want this end to be even. It's faster to use the file to get rid of it than to try and chuck it up. Alright, in order to make this technique work, I need to drill a small hole in the end, and because it may wobble a little bit I'm going to use the center drill. I put a 3/16 diameter drill in here. And I drill the end out to 3/16 of an inch. Now comes the fun part. First of all, I want to move this out of the way a little bit, and I want to move this form tool in place. Right here at this junction I've turned it. It's at 7/16 of an inch, which is the right size for starting an NPT thread for 1/4 inch NPT. It tapers at 3/4 inch per foot, which is the standard NPT, and then at the end we have a little bit steeper angle, and what we're going to do is we're going to heat the end of this up until it's plastic, and then we're going to push this in, and it's going to draw the material in and give us about 400 thousandths worth of material to tap. I'm going to put the lathe in a slow speed. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to let the heat gun warm it up. I'm looking for a change in sheen that will tell me when it's ready to go. It's looking pretty close right now. Let's see. Now it's a little too cold still. Alright, hopefully it's got it done now. Okay, bring it into the shoulder, and we'll let it sit and solidify for a minute. And then we'll pull it out. And you should be able to see that it's wrapped it around. If we look inside, you see that it's extruded a wall of material around there that I can run the threads into. Now, I'm not going to actually do that as part of this video because it's the preparation. But as you can see, instead of 170 thousandths thick, I've got about 400 thousandths. So any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.